Do you dread having to show up at your local yarn store again for a dropped stitch, pesky hole, or just general knitting mayhem? Is the thought of having to rip out a project and start over enough to send you screaming and running for the hills? Say no more. Join instructor Patty Lyons as she shows you how to diagnose your stitches and prescribe treatments as a knit doctor. Learn when to tink or unknit versus when to frog or rip out your stitches. In this knitting ER class, you'll learn how to become a mindful knitter, gaining the skill to understand your work and identify common knitting errors. You'll also learn how to spot a dropped stitch and quickly fix it with confidence. And remember, as part of the Annie's online classes curriculum, you can trust that this and every Annie's class is backed by an industry leader with decades of crafting experience, along with a 100% money-back guarantee, lifetime access to classes, and direct instructor guidance and feedback. So join Patty Lyons and Annie's for this exciting new class, Knitting ER, How to Fix Your Mistakes.